Hey everybody, Adam here, your senior water quality technician here on the Twitter. You may remember from some of my older YouTube videos that I actually made my own water distiller, and that's what this is, part of the water distillation rig that I had. And then the rest of it is packed up upstairs because I went out and bought, after making my own water distiller, I wound up going and buying the MegaHome. So the downside of any water distiller is that over enough time of boiling water and recapturing the steam through here, cooling it down through the coils, which you can see in there, and coming out this area, which you can put a carbon filter in if you're that Looney Tunes, and recapturing it here. The downside is that eventually you've boiled so much tap water or whatever you put in here, fluid, that you wind up with scale. And this is what they call that, scale. They call it scale or lime. So you buy a de-limer to clean that out. This is a stainless steel container. I want you to notice all that shale buildup at the bottom. All those bits and bobs. And the color. Now, I haven't done anything to this. I haven't treated it with anything. That's exactly as it is. And that's Niagara's tap water there. So that's shale, calcium, buildups, protein, all the good things that they say you need in your body. Whatever, right? Ridiculous. Who believes these people anymore? Mostly it's, I would say, chlorine, and then God knows what else is in Lake Ontario. So to clean that, you can use a bunch of different things like citric acid, white powder, that type of stuff. I found using industrial grade delimers works for me. And then I just clean out the reservoir afterwards. So let's put this green delimer product I have in there. You can hear it working right away. It's attacking and breaking down the lime deposits. And it's also corrosive for that reason. And look at how, just after a few seconds in there, what the difference is. You can take a scrub brush in there and brush it out. But I want all that lime off my stainless steel MegaHome water distillation rig. So I take a few minutes and scrub it out, rinse it out, and then put more water in there and go back to distilling my tap water, which to the eye it looks okay, but if you get out a TDS meter you'll see it's about 160, 170 total dissolved solids. And the question is, you don't know what those total dissolved solids are, but all those dissolved solids wind up concentrated in here, around there, and by the looks of it I wouldn't want that in my body. So distilled water, by the time it gets to this point, is zero parts per million total dissolved solids. And that's what, if you want to hydrate your body and flush out toxins, which is what water is really for, then that's what you're looking for. If you want some proteins and protons and carbohydrates and calcium, then eat some food.